Good day. This is going to be what I hope is a quick video. Hopefully you have this piece of paper handy with the questions already written, molar volume sample questions. And we're going to try to keep this to be one of the easiest sections to run into. So here's moles, we're going to volume. So we say, hey, I've got to take my moles, I multiply by molar volume, and I can see I have to get an answer smaller than 24.5 liters. And I get 7.35 liters of carbon dioxide. Why did I choose 24.5? Well, in the question it said I was at RTP, room temperature and pressure. Next question says how many moles of hydrogen are in 200 liters at STP? Well, the STP tells me I'm using 22.4 liters per mole. But in this case, I'm volume, and I'm going to moles, I'm going to be dividing. So I take my 200 liters, I divide by 22.4 liters per mole, estimate, and I see if it was 200 divided by 20, it'd be 10. So it has to be a number slightly smaller than 10. And it is 8.93 moles of hydrogen. Number 3, okay, what's the volume? I'm finding volume, but instead of being given moles, I'm given mass. So the pain of this question is I've got to convert my mass into moles first of all. So I take my 500 grams of oxygen, I divide by 32 grams per mole because I know oxygen by itself is diatomic. Now I've got my moles. When I'm leaving Moleville, I'm multiplying. It says STP, so I'm going to be using that 22.4 liters per mole. So multiply those numbers together, and I get 350 with a dot liters of O2. Number 4 is a reverse to number 3. So what I've got to do is, first of all, I've got to go for my volume, I'm told at RTP, and I've got to get my moles of helium. And then my last step will take the moles, converting to mass. So you see why conversions have to be automatic. So BIM divided by boom gives me bomb. I take my number of moles. Now I multiply by the 4.00 grams per mole for helium from the periodic table. And I get 1.22 times 10 to the 4 grams of helium. So that should be incredibly enjoyable and painless.